How to reset network settings on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can reset network settings on iPhone, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to reset your network settings on iPhone, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the settings application. After you launch settings, just go to general, and once you go to general, scroll down here, you'll find transfer or reset iPhone. Make sure to tap on transfer or reset iPhone option, tap on reset. Here you'll find reset network settings option. Make sure to tap on it, enter your phone's passcode and your network settings such as your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, your mobile data. Everything is going to get resetted to its default settings. This way you'll be able to reset network settings on iPhone. Hope this video was very helpful. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in our next video.